Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a vlog. So I don't vlog often, but today is a very special day. I'm going to be heading out to a farm for a really unique event. So what's going to be going on is it's like a painting plus hip-hop jazz kind of thing that's going on. There's a local artist that's going to be doing like her painting interpretation to music that's going to be played by some local musicians, and it's like a hip-hop jazz kind of thing. So think of like Hidden Beach, if you've heard like their music before. I believe it's going to be like that. So I thought this really interesting. I found this on Eventbrite and I was like, I'm there, I'm going. This is a farm that I've been wanting to visit, and so I think it's going to be great. I have like an hour and a half to get ready. My clothes are already picked out. I already have my stuff set, so I'm just doing the breakfast thing right now, and then I'll get changed. After breakfast, I'll show you a quick outfit change, and then we should be good to go. All right, I made it, y'all. That was kind of a drive. Oh my gosh. But I'm here, so I'm about to get out and head over. I have like 4 minutes, so let me walk like a block down the way. So let me get situated and I'll see you inside. Okay, thank you. Hello. Hello. Oh my gosh, look at you. Oh my goodness. Aren't you the cutest? Look at you. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hello. Oh my gosh, guys. These goats are so cute. They're so cute. Oh, look at the babies. So this is like free therapy for me, y'all. I'm so happy right now. Good. I'm about to head back home. It is so hot. This kind of feels like a pool day. I think I might go chill by the pool because it's just so hot, and it's just like I feel like I need to be like by water. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head back. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get back home. Let me actually look right now. Okay, so it's 33 minutes. It's not that far. It's like 34. So yeah, that's actually not bad. That is not bad at all. I had a really good time, y'all. Like, it was just nice. The music was nice. It reminded me of like the Hidden Beach recordings, which is funny because the musician, he literally was like, how you know about Hidden Beach? I was like, I found out about that from a photographer back in the early 2000s. I was doing a photo shoot, and he had the CD playing, and so he gave me the CD, and that's how I knew about Hidden Beach recordings. Like Jill Scott used to be on there. There was a lot of people that were on there. It is so hot, so I'm gonna hurry up and just get out of here so I can get back home, and then I can give you the rest of the review. But like, I enjoyed myself, and now I am going to go home and unwind. They said they do this every month, so I definitely will be back to pet the goats again and be with the chickens. And this next time I'm gonna eat food here. I didn't eat this time because the food is a little expensive, but I'll have it next time. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.